So today we will be doing session 11 of Word Power Made Easy, where we will be learning some of the important explorers of knowledge in various kinds. So the first word is anthropologist, which comes from the root anthropos, which means mankind, plus logos, which means science or study, plus ist. Ist means a specialist or an expert. So, anthropologist is someone who studies about human races, their origin, societies, culture, etc. The next word is astronomer, which has the root astron, astron, which means star. So, astronomer is someone who makes observations of celestial bodies like planets, galaxies, stars, or other universe. The next word is geologist. Geologist has the roots geo. Geo means earth or land, plus logos. Logos means study or science, plus ist. Ist means a specialist. So geologist is someone who studies about rocks, land processes, how earth was formed, where are the mountains, how did they develop, and so on. The next word is biologist, which has the root bio, which means life, plus logos, plus ist. So, biologist is someone who studies about living things, about all living organisms, which includes plants, animals, vegetables, flesh, everything which is living, that grows and has a life. So the next word that we are going to be learning is botanist. Now in biology we have two broad roots, which is plants and animals. Plants are also referred to as flora. So when we see botanist, it comes from the root botany, which means flower. So botanist is someone who studies about all kinds of plants, how they were formed, what do they need, how are their vegetation, and etc. And the next word is about animals, which is also referred to as fauna. And the one who studies about animals is called a zoologist. zoologist. So all kind of animals, from bees, birds, fish, reptile, mammals, etc. about their behavior, how they coexist, and so on. The next word is entomologist. Entomologist comes from the root entomon, entomon, which means insect, plus logos, plus ist. So entomologist is someone who studies about insect. Entomology is a branch of zoology, because zoology already includes insects, and the study about insect is called entomology. The next word is theologist. So theologist comes from the word theology. Theology has the root philo, philo, which means loving, plus logos means study. So theology means the love for learning. So the one who has love for learning is a theologist, who studies how the language or words were developed, and their meaning, their origin, and their development. The next word is semanticist, which comes from the root semantia, semantia, which means meaning. So a semanticist is a specialist in semantics who studies the meaning and phrases of the word, who determines how and why people say the way they say or write. The next word is a sociologist, which has the root socio, which means society. So Sociologist is someone who studies about how people live together, their culture, their housing, their social relationships, their community, forms of government, caste, class, etc. So we have learned the words in this session. Now are the following exercises. So pronunciation, anthropologist, astronomer, geologist, biologist, botanist, zoologist, entomologist, philologist, semanticist, sociologist. Now you can pause the video to solve the following exercises so you can understand if you have understood the words, if you can recall the words. And that is the end of session 11.